So, bear with me. This game is so old, I don't even know how to play. So, we're going to demonstrate how we play. First of all, the first game is called teamwork. Two opposing teams from different villages will stand across each other. The idea is this ball here. Fernando, stop talking to each other. Concentrate on me. Come over here, please, sir. This is Fernando, everybody. Round of applause. This here is the ball. It is wrapped in the coconut tree, but the actual ball itself is made of hard tamano wood from the tamano tree. Hard tamano wood. Feels like a softball, feels like a baseball. Can you feel that? Yeah, very hard. Feel that? Have a feel of that. You don't want to get hit by one of them, right? It feels hard, yeah? It's tamano wood. We all know what the tamano tree is. Thank you, sir. This very dangerous game. So we won't demonstrate exactly how it's played. We'll just pretend that we're playing it, because otherwise people will get hurt and we get sued by the Hawaiian government. So here we go. This is how you hit the ball. They have to hit the ball to them. They have to catch it. If they catch it, it's 1 point to this team. If they drop it, it's 1 point to them. 9 players on either side, and all players have to go each. So this is... Pretend you're going to go that way. This is how hard it should be hit. Watch yourself now, just kidding. This is how hard it should be hit. 3, 2, 1. They're already there. Come on. Go in, do it again. So imagine that coming in you, no bat to the end, just the palm of your hand. Imagine that on that side, throwing it at them. But let's pretend they do. Here up. And he hits it. He catches it. 1 point to this team. And 9 players each together. Again, once they catch it, they do this. I will not translate what that means. It's very, very rude. No, I'm just kidding. Here's example number 2. They throw it here. Throw it. Throw it. He drops it! 1 point to them. Then this happens. Why didn't you catch it? Because you've got cold fingers. That's the best way I can translate it. So that is the teamwork played by both men and women. Round of applause for that one. Now, the iwibo, played by women only. Same concept. It's made of tamano wood, but the shape is now cube. It's cube, not round. I don't know which one is harder to catch, the cube ball or the round ball. There's no tamano wood in this one now. It's just a mat, so it's soft. So it's okay. It's okay. Similar to softball. This is the batting side, there's the opposition, she hits it with a palm, she has to run. Base 1, base 2, base 3, and has to come back home before she gets hit by this. Yeah, no tagging, no tagging. Hit like that. For example, oh! Is that out? That's out. It's out straight away. By the way, it's 3 outs. It's also 3 outs. We did not practice that one. Boom. What's the first base? What's the second base? What's the third base? She picks up the ball. She goes to her. Whack! She missed. She gets a point scored over there. Basically, that's it. We won't play by the women only. And yes, both games are dangerous. You get hit in the head, bad luck. You get hit there, bad luck. Bad luck anywhere. Oh, bad luck here too, if you get hit. But that's the game, the two traditional games we play back in Moro. We hope you enjoyed the nice little small demonstration. Thank you to the group from the District of Waikiki in Nauru. I think I did more sports there than they did. Woo!
Thanks for watching.